In a windswept coast town, a sudden surge of ocean water pounded the pier as sirens wailed and residents hurried to higher ground. A veteran harbor captain organized a dusk evacuation, using drifting rafts tethered to bollards to ferry families from streets already underwater. Hours later, a tremor closed a narrow cave where survivors sheltered, and neighbors marked time by the distant rumble of aftershocks. The town rebuilt with flood-proof alleys and rain gardens and installed a bold early warning system. From the shore, they learned nature tests patience and memory becomes the shelter.